One of my favorite things to do every day is to enjoy my first cup of coffee when the house is still and quiet. It gives me a chance to reflect, prioritize my day, and to get focused. This video is sponsored by Keurig to introduce the new special edition K-Cafe Coffee House Brewer. Now every house can be a coffee house. The Keurig Special Edition K-Cafe single-serve coffee, latte, and cappuccino maker makes it easy and convenient to enjoy your favorite coffee or creamy lattes and frothy cappuccinos at home. We're also going to take a quick tour around my fall-inspired coffee station. I'll also share a creative idea to display breakfast for the kids on Saturday morning. As always, I hope to give you some fun and creative ideas to inspire your fall coffee station, so let's go ahead and get started. Whether you're brewing coffee or making lattes and cappuccinos, the special edition K-Cafe Coffee House Brewer works with any K-Cup pod, so the options are endless. You simply brew, froth, and enjoy. Froth your choice of fresh milk, including skim, soy, and almond to create a creamy latte or a frothy cappuccino. The dishwasher-safe frother makes cleanup a breeze, and now enjoying delicious specialty beverages at home has never been so easy. You also have the option of brewing a 6, 8, 10, or 12-ounce cup of your favorite coffee, tea, or cocoa. Visit Keurig.com for more details and information. I am all set with my giant cup of coffee, and now I'm going to take you on a little tour around our fall coffee station, maybe give you some ideas. I really hope you enjoy. As you can see, our butler's pantry is a tight space, so I have to be selective in the seasonal items that I choose to display to make sure they're functional and they don't clutter up the space that we need to serve. I store our coffee in a metal K-Cup pod storage drawer that can stand alone or under your Keurig brewer. I added a subtle reminder to give thanks that we see when we come through the garage door each day, and a cute pumpkin-shaped cookie jar that can be moved easily. I love Saturday mornings this time of year to treat myself to a pumpkin spice latte by using 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spiced syrup, a concentrated shot of coffee using your favorite flavored K-Cup pod, your preferred choice of fresh milk, and a little dash of cinnamon. When the twins are really well behaved during the week, we let them indulge just a little on Saturday mornings with a bit of a sugary breakfast. I found this really cool retro ice box, and I thought it would be so cute to store their donut-shaped coffee mugs for their hot chocolate and chocolate-covered muffins and these really cool fall-inspired cookies. A really fun way to start a fall weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the ideas I've shared with you today. I'd like to extend a sincere thank you to Keurig for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you back here again soon in the fall series. Until then, I'm wishing you much love and peace.